In Epoch, there's actually no traditional change password option or even a password usage system. The game doesn't use that standard username plus password system like older MMOs. Instead, you usually just log in through a linked account like Google, Facebook, or a guest account. So if you want to change your password, you'll need to change it on the platform you use to log in. For example, let's say you use your Google. You can go to your Google account settings and then you can change it from there. Same applies for Facebook or the other login method, which is probably just the email. And if you are using a guest account, there's no password change at all. You'll need to bind your account to a platform first to secure it, but in short, there is technically no in-game password setting, only on its general area like inside Google itself or inside your Facebook. It's going to be handled through your login provider, but that's pretty much it. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.